Guess what arrived in the post this morning? GLOSSYBOX. Oh, is that a sponge? This vlog is going to be what I've been doing the past since the 1st of December. So firstly, I put up the Christmas tree. On camera it doesn't look good, but like off camera, real life, it looks really, really, really nice. Now I have to say, I did have to like redecorate it on Wednesday because obviously I've got a toddler. He's, yeah. But yeah, and the garlands, everything looks very bright in the living room at night time. But after that, also, we came out of lockdown, like we came out of national lockdown, so people hit the shops. I hit the shops the day after the shops reopened. I only hit the shops because I had an appointment and I was like, let me just pop into Primark. Hint, hint, what I got. You might hint, I did say I would get that. So yeah, but I'm going to leave that for a haul in January. The reason why for January as well is because I'm going back to Primark again today. So I'm getting loungewear for myself. Loungewear. I've become a fan of these loungewear. Guess what arrived in the post this morning? GLOSSYBOX. Yes, my GLOSSYBOX arrived in the post this morning. Yeah, this is how it looks. It says best time of the year, and it's got like, oh look at that, oh so pretty, pink and snow. Oh, pink like my tree. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Oh, it's tied up. It's tied up like that. Yep, it's tied up. It's got tissue paper and everything. Oh, the tie has best time of the year on it. Is that a sponge? Oh, I was literally thinking this morning I should go to TK Maxx and get one of those Real Technique sponges. But I think I've got a sponge in here. Oh my goodness! Firstly, we have Wonder Beauty. I don't know what this brand is, but it's Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Gold eye mask. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Gold eye mask. I have upgraded. Wonder Beauty. It's got all of the like the Instagram and Facebook on their little page here. Experience free initiative layers of luxury with these gold under masks, perfect for pre-Christmas pampering. A top layer of gold foil allows the serum to penetrate deeply into the skin, whereas the second, third layers ensure the mask stay put and deliver key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin loving benefits you need. Your complexion will instantly appear visibly brighter and more hydrated after use. One set worth £4. Full size pack is £20. And obviously it says the shop if you like it, where you can shop to find it. So that's, yeah, that's really nice. Oh, what's this? Symbiosis London. Symbiosis London got glycolic acid plus RNA. I don't know what that means. I don't know. But it's skincare, so it's a good thing. Overnight rejuvenating eye serum. Okay, that's fabulous. Rejuvenating eye serum. We need some eye serum. Eye serum. This overnight serum is the ideal treatment for puffy, tired eyes in need of relief. Glycolic acid boosts skin's firmness and addresses blackheads, dullness, and excess oils, while RNA, which I was like, I don't know what that is, helps skin combat the signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and brown spots. Yes. With its shimmering properties, third key ingredient, mica aims to reflect light from the skin for a smoother, softer, and more radiant complexion. It costs £120. £102? It costs £102. Next, we have Palmer's Butter Formula. Softens, smooths, relieves rough, dry skin, 24-hour moisture. Smooths masks and revives tattoos. Oh gosh, okay. Even tattoos. I ain't got a tattoo, but like, if you have tattoos, I have two more things in here. Nailberry Paris. This is a fabulous colour. Like seriously, it's like red, but like it's like, oh no, I think it's like dark pink. Yeah, you can probably see it. It looks like dark pink. This is a fabulous colour. And the nail polish costs £15. Oh, did I not say I saw a sponge? Oh my goodness. Right, so Sport FX, a blend and go makeup blending sponge, all over natural coverage for smooth and flawless complexion. At the back it says our blend and go makeup sponge is perfect for achieving an all over natural glowy complexion. Our unique eight-sided design works with multiple products on all areas of your face. Oh yeah, it's true. Like you could contour, you could like blend around the eye, because like the way the tip of it is, it's not pointed. It's like, yeah. Oh my god. This is good. It's literally really good. It's not like the normal like pointed Real Technique sponge, which there's nothing wrong with that one, but like this one is got 8-sided, so like you can like contour, highlight, blend obviously with the, yeah, it's like seriously, it's really good. Blending sponge is actually $4.99, which is like a weird nice, I think that's like more £1 cheaper than Real Techniques. I will let you know in January how things go, and I might order a January one, and January and February, because like seriously, this has made me really excited. This was my early Christmas present, so yeah, this has made me really, really happy. I am so excited about this nail polish and that blending sponge. Where are you gone? Yes, this blending sponge. Seriously, like £11. Oh, well, I paid £11. Yeah, £11 for all of these really nice things. So yeah, and one of them costs £102 and I paid £11. It's worth like trying things out and seeing like if it works for you, and then you're like, yeah, I mean that's something I can like purchase myself for my own money. Anyways, I need to go and do some homeschooling, and then we are off to Primark. So stay here. So guys, it is bedtime. Yes, I conditioned my hair. Yeah. Oh, went into Primark. I got the loungewear that I wanted, a different shade that I originally wanted. I didn't film. It was one of the days where I had like so much shopping. I went to Aldi. I did like the biggest shop I've done in Aldi. So I didn't really want to bother myself when it came to like filming, but there was some really nice stuff in the store. But I'll quickly just show you my daughter's pajamas. I got her these pajamas. It says girl power forever. Yeah, and they're striped like that. Really nice. Oh, there's a jacket for her. I think I might get that during January sales. Oh, this is making me look a bit like big, but anyways, I'm gonna get it in January. It's like £16. It's like a normal, like, you know those fluffy biker jackets? I've got one. Now they're doing the kids one. Oh gosh, she'll look really nice in it. I told her to have a look at it and she was like, yeah, it's really nice. So, but good news though, the last month of this terrible year, the vaccine is coming. It's like, seriously, today, people were getting the COVID vaccine. Well, more elderly people were getting it. So we had a horrible year and we're ending it with a vaccine. This is what we need. Like in this whole year, it's like, let's go out with a bang. We got a vaccine for this. So good. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.